Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. So today I will be building my first ever PC. Before I had a laptop, and before that I had a pre-built system which barely runs and barely runs anything, which so many which whatever. Okay, I'll just go through the stuff I bought, the thing I've chosen. Okay, first, the CPU. CPU is the Intel i7 6700 non-K version because I don't know how to overclock yet. I'll maybe soon change it later on. And the motherboard is the MSI Z17TA Create Gaming. And then the CPU cooler is Cooler Master Sidon 120 volt plus, so it's the newer version of the Sidon 120. And then the power supply is Cooler Master B700 version 2. And then here is my RAM. It's just a normal value RAM because I'm not thinking of buying any particular gaming kits and I need to cut costs somewhere. It's DDR4, of course. The speed is 2133 megahertz, which is the lowest in DDR4. And then the storage is WD Black 2 terabyte and my old laptop hard drive, which is what is it? It's the Toshiba something. And then move on to the star. The star of the show is this thing. This is a Fire Nitro Radeon R9390. Of course it's an AMD. I will not say I'm in red, but yeah, from now. And then for the case, I don't know how, but I just chose NZXT H440. Before that, I'm thinking of taking NZXT S340, which is its younger brother, but since they don't have it in stock, I'll just take this. Yeah, I told you I need to cut costs somewhere. And before I forget to tell you, the Cooler Master B700 version 2 is non-modular. If any of you want to know, of course I'll put everything on this particular table in description, like the link for if you want to buy, if you're interested in it. I'll put the link for Malaysians and for Amazon US, not UK maybe. I'm sorry, British, even though you came into my country before. But yeah, let's get straight into the time lapse of me building my first PC. Wow, that sounded very weird. Okay guys, good job. What? What is it?
I'm not holding back for anyone. Holding up for, waiting for the rain. My light to just surrender. I'm not holding back for anyone. Waiting for the rain. I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone.
Alright guys, I finished. This is the finished build. It he say. Well, now as you can see those mustard wires. I know I can't change them though. Now we're going to test if it posts or not. First press this thing on. Then dun, 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 dun. It doesn't even press. What? There you go. Well, sorry guys. Apparently the top panel is actually it's not tight, so yeah. Well, fans are spinning. Fans are spinning. Up, up. Yay. Okay, nice. Okay guys, I will install. Wow, what is that? Oh, there's an LED. Wow, okay, I don't know anything about that. Now I'll go install Windows and I'll see you, I guess, after this. Alright guys, now I've installed mostly everything, and system is running fine. Let's take a look at the temperature. Temperature is constant. Can you fix it? Okay. Yeah, look, the temperature is constant 44, 43 on idle. And I don't know the temperature for this. I don't see any temperature, but you can see it's running smoothly. This like I told you, the 6700, not the K version, but whatever. The fan speed is nice. It's not that really high or anything, and the temperature is actually really nice. GPU usage, as you can see, is 79 because I game on it earlier, and yeah, I haven't noticed any FPS drop. Let's see what more we can see. This memory. Look, the CPU temperature. You can see it's, what the hell is that? CPU 1. Oh, okay. CPU 1. What? CPU 1 is 158. I don't know what is that. CPU 2, CPU 3, CPU 4, CPU 5, I don't know. I guess the cores is the true CPU temperature here. 48 degrees too. Max is 52 because yeah. Wow, actually it's quite hot, but whatever. It's not above 60 at least. Usage, I don't care. RAM, the RAM is 8 gigabytes. and doesn't have that much page file, nothing. CPU usage is not that much too. That's all. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this. Wow, focus. Why are you focusing on the mic? Whatever, focus on the mic, or focus on the PC. This. Yeah, okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video, or whatever, in the next one. Goodbye.